It is imperative to transform and upgrade the traditional model with the high-quality development of domestic poultry farming industry. We have been thinking about how to solve the difficulties in the planning, labor, and management of the poultry farming industry, and promote the upgrading of traditional farming to intelligent farming. With more than 30 years cultivation in poultry farming industry, EI Farming has gained profound capabilities of designing, equipment coordination, and service. The company keeps up with the mainstream farming concepts and models in the market. It utilizes simulation and other technologies to design scientific farm schemes for clients. The company supplies reasonable poultry farming equipment according to the project planning and actual needs of the clients. Currently, the company has launched a variety of overall solutions for poultry farms, such as broiler cage feeding, duck cage feeding, layer cage feeding, and broiler and breeder floor feeding systems, etc. At present time, cage feeding is still the major means adopted by the large-scale poultry farms in China. Multi-tier farming greatly improves the feeding density, thereby creating greater benefits for users. We provide clients with more scientific and practical cage design schemes. 1 meter single-side broiler cages, 2 meter broiler cage, 1 meter single-side meat duck cages, 2 meter meat duck cages, layer cages with 4 tires, 6 tires, and 8 tires, and other cages are available to meet the different needs of clients. The baffle plate is designed as a whole to realize the adjustment of multiple tires at the same time. Manual work is replaced by the spring-type adjustment buckle design, thereby easily solving the problem of repeated work. The designs of pedals on the feeding sides and the bird-catching sides inside cages, corridor-facing longitudinal bracing U-shaped openings on both sides, the drainage outlets inside the feed troughs, etc., prevent manure from dropping on the ground, thereby effectively improving the environment in a poultry house. The outside of the cage is designed with a tube which is convenient for people to step on. Manual or automatic inspection vehicles can be customized according to client needs, which facilitates inspection, observation, and operation. A multi-stage filter in front of the water line provides clean and healthy drinking water for poultry growth. The intelligent water line controller is utilized to better solve the problems of flush, cleaning, and management of the drinking equipment of multi-tier cage system. The intelligent water meter is used to monitor and reflect the water volume and send alarm in real time, thereby realizing the intelligent management of the water line. The centralized feed supply system is equipped. The off-site feed supply by feed trucks is adopted to reduce various cross-contamination risks and improve the biosecurity of the farm. The intelligent weighing system of the silo can accurately calculate the daily feed supply of the whole farm. The weighing system, intelligent traveling hopper control system, and traveling hopper feed dropping device effectively coordinate with each other, realizing integrated, intelligent, and unmanned feeding operation within the poultry growth cycle. The anti-deviation devices on the head and tail of the manure belt, in addition with the main and auxiliary rollers and transmission parts of the high-strength manure belts, reduce the happening of off-tracking of the manure belt. The automatic manure cleaning system is designed to remove the chicken manure on a belt through the first and second stage manure transfer devices to the manure transport truck outside the chicken house, or it also can be transferred directly into the organic fertilizer processing workshop. The temperature fluctuation of poultry houses can be effectively reduced by the environmental control system, integrating ventilation, heating, humidification, and other control algorithms. The energy consumption can be saved. The independent developed EI 6000 Plus, EI 6000, EI 1000C series poultry house controllers can meet the diversified needs of clients in different regions. Static pressure control algorithm is adopted. Fans, small windows, and area nets are linked for control. The poultry house controller can automatically identify and adjust the parameters according to environmental changes. The keepers set all farming parameters at one time. The whole process is automatically controlled to provide a comfortable growing environment for the poultry. High-precision temperature and humidity sensors are free from calibration and maintenance. High precision and wide-range carbon dioxide sensor is linked with environmental control to achieve accurate ventilation control. The equipment running state intelligent detection device can send out alarms during fan failure. The emergency control system is automatically turned on during control failure. AI farming integrates intelligent equipment, information perception, Internet of Things into the poultry farming industry to build a cloud service platform. Various intelligent equipment of the farm are connected to the network, thereby achieving the dynamic management and centralized monitoring of equipment, and realizing the local and mobile management of the poultry rearing process. As the leading supplier of poultry farming equipment and services in the industry, AI farming has always been focusing on the digital, intelligent, and smart transformation of poultry rearing industry chain. The company offers clients with products and services beyond their expectations and provides AI solutions for the sustainable development of poultry farming industry all over the world.